Good morning, everyone. Hey, I'm down here at one of my rental houses. Cute little 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. Just want to cover a couple of typical days of what a DIY landlord's life is like. So yesterday, pressure washed the house and the deck. Also put in a new garage door. Turned out really nice. And we also are taking care of some mold problems. We didn't have any luck catching any overnight, but you can see these mounds are crazy. These moles have taken over this yard, so hopefully we start catching some. Probably move the traps around today. The other project we're going to do is paint this deck. I built this deck, I'm trying to remember when I built it. I think it was 2012. I think a tenant stained it once, but really not much has been done to it since. Definitely needs painted, so hopefully we can paint it and get 10 15 more years out of it. Here's all the supplies we're going to use. So I like to use a solid color deck stain. These are so expensive now. This was $170 for a 5-gallon. And just your normal setup for painting, nothing special. I've got my neighbor coming over to give me a hand, but this is a typical day. What I do, love it, love to get out and work outside when I can in the summertime. Beats the hell. I've been in a fluorescent hell called the office, so I think it's much better. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing this, and I'll come back and try to give you some shots when we're finished with the deck so you can see what it looks like.